Now we don't have any sort of turning signal or brake light in the left rear of my F250. It's cool, they got like a little slot, put hardware, won't fall out of the truck. Just doing this on the spot. Boom. All right, you gotta wiggle it out. I don't know why it's not popping out. I don't want to force it, but kind of gotta. Alrighty. Bam, just like that. So we got our reverse light, our reverse lamps in here, and then it's for one bulb. This is our turning signal. Now I'm going to turn the truck on and show you that it's actually not working currently. If you want to see it right there. Let me grab my keys. Tail lights are on our right side. You can see over here we have nothing. All right, so like I said, the turning signal and the brake light are only together in one bulb. I've had other vehicles where, you know, my Chevy K2500, you have one bulb for the turning signal and one bulb for our tail lights. You got counterclockwise, and it just snaps out of place. You're gonna do the same thing back in place, and you got to find the right fitting because it does have a groove right here. It interlocks. All right, so this looks fried. Wow. Interesting. That bulb. Let's see. You really should have gloves on to do this, but just in case the bulb breaks. But in this case, it's kind of sliding out a little, pretty easily. Kind of wiggle it. Be very careful. You do not want to break this glass in these fingers, but so it pops out like that. All right, and have a new one. Let's just see that they match up. These pins are out. These pins are in. Not sure if they popped out, but let's check it out. I'm actually just for safety purposes, gonna turn the lights off. All right, so let's pop this back in. Let's see if it works. I always want to blow it out, just make sure there's no dust or dirt in it. Oh, wow. I thought I turned them off at least. Hold on. I didn't shut the door. All right, so cool. Check it out. So I plugged in a tail light bar, an LED light strip for my truck, and it wasn't working properly because there was actually a tail light out that I noticed, and I never noticed it before until I tried to plug in a light strip. So I'm gonna plug this back in, and what you want to do is, like I said, you want to get this interlocking correctly, line it up. Boom, it slips right in. You want to turn it clockwise now, and it kind of just, boom, snaps into place. You want to fit this back in together. Now there's a couple of pins that you need to line up together in here. You're gonna see right there. So there's two holes right here, and there's two pins right here. There's one hole, top and bottom. One goes. You're gonna want to match the bottom up first. It just makes life easier. On this side. So basically, just go like this. put the bottom one in first, kind of lean it forward. You can watch yourself guidelines, just kind of fold it in together. So lock the first one in, the second one in. Now line the top up, and you kind of just click that back in together. Just popped in, and now this side pops back in like that, okay? Now back to square one like we were before, loose. We're gonna replace our hardware with a socket. Okay. I did this video on the spot. I actually started off not being serious at all, and turned out that this actually seemed to be a success. Top one in, bottom one in. There. Thread it first, bites, then you'll snap back into place. So I'm not a bulb guy, but you can see my new one. I'm not sure if these come like this. This is, you know, factory from Ford that I just got this from. So look at the difference in bulb new and bulb that wasn't working, as well as you see these pieces on in here. These are actually sticking out, like they kind of popped out. You know, you can put my finger behind this. You can kind of clip it off, but these are all together. You can see the difference. So it's interesting how that turned like that. I'm gonna show you. All right. We have our taillight and our taillight over here as well. Doing both on. Now we're gonna test the turning signals. Okay, right turning signal. Is that good? All right. Moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Left turning signal. Well, there you go. There you have it. And that is how you change F250 Platinum turning signal and taillight.